Hey, Nathan here. Welcome back to another video for the PGL2D Alpha series. In this video, we are going to discuss the GameScreen class. So let's expand the Solution Explorer here. Let's go to our Screen System, and let's right-click the Screen System folder and go to Add Class. This is going to be GameScreen. Alright, let me make this smaller. This is going to be a public abstract class. GameScreen, and that's going to derive from BaseGame. So this is just going to, all this is going to be used for is holding a reference, which will set this as a public property, to our base game. Now we need to add using PGL2D.game, game, get and private set. Alright, let's create our constructor, protected, game screen. For the parameters, it's going to have base game, bool accepts input, bool is frozen, bool is hidden. And is frozen, that's going to default to false, and is hidden, that's going to default to false. Those are going to be optional parameters. Then we need to call base, and then we need to provide accepts input, is frozen, is hidden. Inside of our constructor, all we need to do is set game is equal to base game. Alright, there is one method I want to override in this class, and that is the load entity content. Protected, override, void, load entity content. For each var physical entity in entities of type physical entity, we need to add using PGL2D.game object here. So for every physical entity, we need to call physical entity.load content game.content. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing for text entity. For each var text entity and text entities, text entity.load content game.content. Alright, since this is going to be standard practice for every screen, it's beneficial to have this in the abstract class. But we can't add that to base screen. It has to be game screen because game screen uses our base game reference, which we get game.content. That's where we get our content manager from. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. The last two videos are going to be very short. So I hope to see you next time.